So your biennial update, it's so simple. You can do it from the cab of your truck with any portable device. All you need are your DOT number, your FMCSA Pin number, and your employer identification number. Let's get after it. So let's say you ended up here by mistake and you're looking to do that initial filing of that MCS 150. You need to get your DOT number. You need to get your MC number. That process is more involved. Oscar over at Truckers Authority makes, in my opinion, the most comprehensive video step-by-step on how to do this. Yes, the video is long, but following along for 68 minutes saved me $800. So you're going to head over to the FMCSA's website. You're going to click on registration. Under registration, you're going to go to update my US DOT number and or authority. And then this list is going to come up halfway down the page here for existing registration updates. You're going to check that first circle there. I need to update my US DOT number registration information or file my biennial update MCS 150. Hit continue. On the next screen, you're going to click File Electronically. It's then going to ask for your US DOT number, your PIN number, and either your employer identification number or your social security number, whatever you have attached to your trucking company. It's then going to ask the name of the company official authorized to complete the form and what my relationship is to the company, and then click continue. It's going to give you a chance to verify all the information is correct. Hit continue. Here's where you can make any changes. You can see here at the top, it has me down as an interstate carrier only. That is correct, and that's staying the same. So I'm not making any changes, but here's where if you did want to make any changes, you could. Hit continue. This next screen is just verifying like basic company information. Again, no changes. I'm going to go through this and hit continue. And then everything on this page here is staying the same. I'm authorized for hire. I haul general freight. Again, if you wanted to make any changes, this is where you would do it, but I'm not making any changes to mine. This is also, verifying like how many CDL drivers I have, how many tractors do I have, how many trailers do I have, and then I'm going to hit the modify button. And once you hit that modify button, you are done. And now that you've seen how easy it is to update your MCS 150, keep in mind it's your responsibility to go on there and update it anytime there's a change. So going from interstate to intrastate, you need to go on there and check the box. Let's say I decide I'm going to start hauling intermodal containers. Okay, I need to get on there and check the box. But it's important to update this once during the month when it's due, and to determine that it comes down to the DOT number you've been assigned, specifically the last 2 digits. If the second to the last number is even, yours is due in even years. If it's odd, it's due in odd years. And then the final number of the DOT number you've been assigned corresponds to the month, with 1 being January, 9 being September, and 0 being October. So that being said, mine was due in May of 2023. Couple things about that FMCSA PIN number. When I got mine back in 2021, the only option was to wait for it to come in snail mail. Now, 7 to 10 days later, you got a piece of paper. It looked about like this, but now they've upgraded their system to where you can get it immediately through email, so there's no reason not to have it. And that being said, you don't need your FMCSA PIN number for 363 days out of the year, but for those 2 days you need it, not having it's going to create a crisis. So just be sure it's somewhere that's retrievable and safe, and you know where to get it when you need it. And just to compare what this looks like doing it on your own versus hiring a service to do this for you, if you hire a service to do this, they're still going to require the same 3 bits of information we needed earlier, but they're going to also make you fill out this entire form and charge you $159 for the privilege of doing this for you. So look, if you're in a truck and you're paying a service to do this, I hope this video sparks some sort of interest on your end and you start thinking like, man, I think I could do that on my own. I'll be the first to tell you, I know you can do it on your own. And if you're not in a truck yet and you're just still in that planning phase, getting everything lined up just right, just know that once you start driving, there is work that needs to be done on your end within the first 2 years after you start driving. I hope this video serves you well. Appreciate you for watching. Take care.